You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's find out once and for all what is the meaning of the Roman numeral L. Is that a date? Is that a number? Well, it's both. It represents the number 50. L is for 50. If you add an X after the L, it's going to be 60, and so on. Here are a few examples for you of more Roman numerals and how to pronounce them. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.